हेलो एवरीवन। आज का अपना टॉपिक है सेल थ्योरी। सेल थ्योरी इज ए फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट इन बायोलॉजी हाईलाइटिंग द रोल ऑफ सेल एज द बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। इन दिस थ्योरी we study about in this theory at the end we will able to learn explain that all living things are made of one or more cell, describing the cell as the basic structural and functional unit of life, and understand that all cells arise from pre-existing cell. So let's start from the discovery. The theory foundation was laid in the 19th century through the work of German scientists. One is the botanist and one is the physiologist. तो जो botanist है मैथ्यू सैक्लेडेन, who discovered the plant are composed of cells in 1838, and Theodor Sack von German physiologist who extended this idea to animals in 1839 and give and explain the all animals are composed of cells. In spite these groundbreaking discovery, neither scientist could explain the origin of the cell. Origin means reproduction, where the cell from, how arise they. So it was explained by Rudolf Virchow, who later provided the crucial insight in 1855 with his assertions omnicellula e-cellula. It means all cells comes from existing cell, pre-existing cell. This revaluation become a cornerstone of modern cell theory. According to this modern cell theory, all living things are made up of cells. That the cell is the fundamental unit of life. All life processes and basic structures are made from the cell, and a new cell arise and new cell arise from pre-existing cell. One notable exception in this theory is virus, which do not consist of cells and cannot reproduce independently. That means virus are interlink between living and non-living things. So highlighting the complexity and diversity of life, imagine this concept as a vibrant mosaic of life where each cell is a colorful tile contributing to the intricate design of the living organism. Thank you.